welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. It is going to be a video sharing tips on saving money. So this is kind of an interesting video, you might think, for my channel, but if you guys don't know, I used to be really into couponing. I used to be really into like extreme couponing, and I've done a few videos here on my channel on like how to get free makeup and apps that I use to help you get free makeup, but I wanted to do a video just basically sharing ways that I save money when it comes to shopping or when it comes to purchasing things or apps that I use to help with that. So that's what I'm going to be sharing in today's video. Hopefully I can save you guys some money. So if you're ready to see my tips on how to save money through using apps, go ahead and keep on watching. Previously on my channel, and they always seem to go over super well with you guys, and I've gotten so many responses from you guys saying that you're using these apps, they're saving you money, and that just makes me so happy. I personally love doing this in like my real life too. Like I'm always telling my friends like, you should get this app, you should do this, and they're all like, oh my god, I've saved so much money. So I love being able to share things that I've done to save money with you guys. I know it doesn't seem that way. I have a beauty room, I always am buying makeup, I have a ton of clothes and things like that, but I am very frugal when it comes to actually spending my money. I'm a budgeter, true at heart. If you ask anyone around me, I'm very good with money. I'm very cautious about what I spend my money on. Every purchase I make is thought out. I always think, how can I save on this? There's never a time where I just like buy something. There's always 10 things going through my head before I purchase something. And so if you guys don't know that about me, that is just something about me. And I love sharing tips on how to save money for you guys too. If you're someone who is into couponing or you're not, these are super easy things that you guys can do to save money, apps that I use to save money. I know that also I get a ton of comments on these videos saying that some of these apps aren't available internationally, and I'm sorry for that. These are just things that I use personally that are available to me that I can share with you guys. So I know some of you may not be able to use these, but hopefully you can take the tips that I also give in this video on saving money and budgeting as well. So I'm really quickly going to run through a few apps that I've talked about here before. So I have quite a few apps to share with you guys in today's video. The first one that I most frequently use and that I share probably the most out of any app, and I know so many people that use this one, is called EBATES. And EBATES is the most simple way to get money back or to save money when it comes to purchasing items. So basically what EBATES is, it is a retailer that gives you cash back for purchasing on sites that you normally already shop at. The other day, they were actually doing 11% cash back at Macy's. On top of that, Macy's had a 15% off all beauty products sale. So let me tell you guys, I stocked up on some giveaway products for my huge holiday giveaway, but I also made a few gift purchases, and it was a great time to get cash back through the app. So if you think about it, you combine the 11% with the 15%, you're getting 26% cash back, which is like a almost 30% sale, which never happens on cosmetics. So I was able to purchase a few like Anastasia palettes and just things that like never really go on sale, higher than the 20% that they go on to at the VIB sale from Sephora. This sale was even higher than that by getting an additional 6%. So kind of just mashing like two coupons together is always a great way to save money. So when it comes to EBATES, it's super simple. All you have to do is, instead of going to Macy's.com, you will go to ebates.com, and then you'll just search in the search bar, just say Macy's. Macy's will pop up, and then you just click it, and that's all you have to do. Super simple. You shop regularly through the site, you check out regularly. There's nothing extra you have to do besides just going to EBATES instead of the original retailer that you're shopping at. There is thousands and thousands of retailers, and every retailer has a different percent cash back. A lot of times it's 8%, 10%, some are even higher than that. They also do different like birthdays and things like that where they do a ton of like really high percentage cash back. Sometimes it's like 15%. And you can pair that with whatever sales are going on the website. You can also still apply coupons. And then also you get a check in the mail. So it's super easy. All you do is just give them your shipping info. And then even if you made like 50 cents back in cash, you're gonna get a check for that. I think the checks come like every 4 months if I remember correctly. I'm not exactly sure, but I know regardless of how much you got in cash back, you always get it back. It's just a check. You just go cash the check, Super, super simple. I think right now I'm set to get back like almost $60 on my next check. So I just made $60 off making regular purchases that I was already gonna make. So it's just a super easy way to save money. I will have it linked down below. Also, for signing up, you guys do get a $10 bonus. So when you sign up, you get a free $10 as long as you spend $25. So it's super perfect, especially for like holidays that are coming around. If you're doing online shopping, just go through EBATES. You'll get that $10 for signing up. And once you make your first $25 purchase, you'll get that check in the mail. And then also, it's a really great way to just make cash back on regular items that you guys are purchasing. The next app that I use this one all the time. My husband uses it. He has it on his phone. It's called Retail Me Not. And basically what this app is it has a search bar here at the top, kind of similar to EBATES. You just search in there a store. So say I'm gonna go to Kohl's, for example. It's gonna bring up on the top here coupons that you can use at Kohl's. So right now there's a 20% off. I'm just gonna hit use in store and I can use that code with any of my purchase I'm making at Kohl's. A lot of times too, you can use this for online to find online deals. So say I'm gonna shop at Macy's, I'm gonna type in Macy's. There's gonna be a section right here that says online or in store. I'm gonna click online and then there's all these codes that are gonna pop up that I can use online to save money. Also, there's a few in the store coupons. I have a 20% off. There's a 10% off. You can use those directly on your phone. You just pull it up like this. The cashier is just gonna have to scan that barcode right there and you just get the money back. So it's kind of awesome because, you know, a lot of times like they want you to sign up for their deals, get coupons in your email, and you could never find what you want. I do that a lot where my email just gets a ton of spam and I can't ever find like those Kohl's coupons and things like that. You can actually just pull up the Retail Me Not app and then you can just use those codes and you don't have to look through your email. You don't have to, you know, sign up for a million emails that are annoying. They have all of them right there on the app. There's thousands of retailers. And like I said, you can use them for online as well. So it's always gonna save you money. And then if there isn't one there, then you know that there's like not a coupon out there and you don't have to spend any time. But that works super well in store, which is what I love about it, because online a lot of times I can find a coupon through Retail Me Not, but also in store like Michael's, Joann's, things like that. They always have coupons on there. So it's a quick way to just pull up the app really quick, be like, hey, I got a coupon. I can only tell you like one time ever that I've had an issue with someone scanning the code. They're saying they couldn't use it. Majority of the time they use them. So it's a great way to just save a couple bucks. I always tell my friends about this. And even when I'm shopping, the other day I was shopping with my mother-in-law and I was like, hey, I have a coupon for this. And we were at Joann's and I saved her like $6 just using the app on my phone. So make sure you guys check that one out. I will link it down below. The next app that I use to save money is called SHOPKICKS. I've told you guys about this one in my last few videos as well, and a lot of you guys have said you've really been enjoying it. So SHOPKICKS is a really, really cool app. What it is it basically pays you to go into stores that they want you to shop at. For example, if you make a trip to the mall, it's going to give you points for walking into American Eagle, for walking into Carter's, Best Buy, Marshall's, TJ Maxx. For all you guys who like to do like the beauty budget buys, I know my friend Kim does those all the time. She goes into those stores like weekly, so she could just walk into Marshall's, TJ Maxx, even Walmart and Target are on there, you guys. So if you're someone who frequently shops at the mall or you work at the mall, this is ideal for you. You literally just have to walk into the store, and the app does have your location on. So if you're someone that doesn't like that, it doesn't do anything with the location, but it does know like where you're at. So you'll just open the app and it'll automatically, once you walk into the store, it'll just pull up a little thing that'll say you got 100 points for walking in or you got 80 points for walking in, and you don't even have to buy anything in the store, which is really what's cool about this app, is you just walk in and you can just walk right back out if you wanted to. It just basically wants you to go into the store, and I'm sure retailers pay to be on this app to get more people into their stores, but it's just super easy because you guys don't have to do anything. So anytime I go to the mall, I'm literally just like holding my phone out to the store and getting the kicks for this. Also, what's really cool is you can actually do scans as well, and these are a great way to also build up your points. And what you can do is, say you're in Walmart, for example, there's different scanned items that you can scan the actual barcode of those items and you can get money for it. So I'm gonna show you guys like really quickly what it looks like on the app. So say you were in, this is Costco, for example. There are all of these items here on Costco that you can use to scan, so peanut butter and jelly. You're just gonna say you want to scan them. It's gonna pull up a little camera right here, and basically all you're gonna do is you're just gonna put that up against the barcode, and once it scans it, it's gonna give you those points, so that's worth 15 points to just scan that one item. If you're someone who goes into Walmart often or Target often, you're gonna make a ton of money on this app. And also, if you purchase certain items and you upload your receipt afterwards, they will give you additional points for purchasing some of the items. Obviously, don't go crazy and purchase things that you don't regularly purchase, but if there's items that you're planning on picking up already or something you saw that you really want, you can purchase that and it'll give you more points towards it. And then you can redeem your points for gift cards. So right now, I am almost about to get a Sephora gift card. You can see I'm like super close to getting enough to it. So once you get 2,500 kicks, you can redeem it for a $10 gift card. You can get Sephora, you can get Ulta. I can basically run through some of the gift cards for you guys. They have TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Walmart, there's Amazon, Target, Lowe's, Nike. There's also restaurants. There's Cheesecake Factory on here. Ulta, Bed Bath & Beyond, and then also if you get like a ton of points or you're like really good at it, you can redeem it for like a Tiffany's gift card. You can get a moped. Like there's a ton of different things on here that you can use your rewards for. I can show you guys too, like these are the rewards that I've gotten. So I've gotten 21 different gift cards, whether these are for $10 or $25. I've made a bunch of money with this app and it's so easy to use. Just open up your phone when you're walking into a store. It's so simple. I'll have that one linked down below for you guys as well, and for signing up for that one, it gives you a certain amount of points to kind of kickstart you as well. Moving on to the next app that I use to save money. This app is called IBOTTA. I have been using IBOTTA for years, and it's a super easy way, again, to save money. And this one is an app where you basically just upload your receipt after you make your purchases, and you will save money. There's a lot of beauty products on here as well. So when you come onto the app, there's gonna be all of these different retailers right here. You're just basically gonna click the one that you're shopping at. Say you're shopping at Target.com. This is kind of like EBATES where it will give you a percentage of cash back, so you can get like 1% back on your purchases. Or if you're shopping at Target in store, it'll pull up this little like shopping type thing right here where it shows you all of the items that you can purchase and how much money you will get if you purchase those items. So right on here, there's peanut butter, Jif peanut butter. If you purchase that, it's gonna give you 50 cents back automatically. All you have to do is upload your receipt and it will put $15 into your account, and then once you reach $20 on this, you can cash out for a gift card or you can directly put the money into your PayPal account. So I can even put in here different categories. So I went ahead and I put in the beauty category. If you're someone who loves the L'Oreal Infallible, the Pro Matte Foundation, you can get $2 back right here on the app for purchasing that. That's a really great way to save money. This is something that I used to do all the time and still do, is you can actually combine this app with coupons. So a lot of times L'Oreal will put out coupons in your newspaper. You can use like a $3 off coupon and then get cash back on here as well. So you're kind of like doubling up. It's a great way to save money. Even if you're not into couponing, all you have to do is just download your receipt on here and it will give you money back for even just making a purchase anywhere. There is a 25-cent cash back for any receipt. So if you upload any receipt, you'll automatically get 25 cents. And I know it doesn't seem like a lot, like, oh, 25 cents, but once you add up the items on here, you can get eggs, milk, bread, butter, all these different things that you regularly buy will add up. So if you get 50 cents on each one of those items, your shopping trip, you could get back another $5 just off the one receipt. And how that works is there's just an option that's gonna say redeem. Again, you're just gonna pull up this little screen right here and you're gonna take a screenshot of the receipt. If it's a longer receipt, then it'll have you take 2 pictures of it and then it'll process it right away and you'll get your money in your account within a few hours. That's another great way to save money with items that you're already purchasing. I've gotten hundreds and hundreds of dollars back with this app in particular, and I use it almost every single time I go grocery shopping. If you guys sign up for that one, there is a $5 bonus, and I'll link that one down below. All right, and the very last app that I'm gonna share with you guys that I use to save money is going to be POSHMARK. And if you guys have not heard about POSHMARK, it is a super easy app to use that you can either sell items or purchase items at a discounted price. To sum it all up for you guys, basically it is a site that people use to resell items, gently used items, or sometimes newer items that they have that they've never used. And everyone has what it's called a closet. And this is my closet right here. So you can see I have a bunch of different items on here. I do have a lot of gently used makeup items. You can sell those items on there. I have some brushes. I also have a bunch of clothing, sunglasses, different items that I am selling in my closet. So once you're on the app, there is an option to shop, and you can just go up here in the search bar and search any item that you are looking for. So say I'm looking for Fashion Nova clothing. You just type that in and all of these different items will show up. You can also follow different people's closets. So say you liked the items in my closet, you can follow me, and then every time I post a new item to my account, you have a feed, and then anytime anyone you're following posts a new item, it will show up here in your feed. So if you want to, you know someone that you like the things that they post, you can follow them and you can find different items from them. There is a ton of different stuff on here, and it's also a great way to sell products that you aren't using anymore. So if you have gently used makeup items or even clothing, I've sold a bunch of different clothes on there. My husband sold clothes on there. Shoes, handbags, designer clothes. A lot of items sell on Poshmark, and it's a really great way to just make some money back on items that you're not getting use of anymore, or also purchase items at a discounted rate. So say there was a certain purse that you'd had your eye on forever, but you didn't want to necessarily purchase it new. You could go on there and you could find a used version, and you can purchase the same item at a discounted rate. So that's a really great way that I also use to save money, is purchasing items through the app, and then also selling my own gently used items that I'm not using anymore. So it's just a really great app that I like to use. I will have mine linked down below. If you guys sign up through my link, you also get $5 to shop the Poshmark app, and I will also link my closet. So if you guys want to check out the items that I have for sale, you can check those out. But I've saved hundreds of dollars with this app in purchasing both items and also in selling items. I've made a lot of money off selling as well. So that's an app to check out if you guys are into selling things. It's super easy to use. Let me show you guys really quickly. So basically the sell option is right here. You're just gonna take a picture of the item, and then once you take your picture, it's gonna have you just list the information. So you're just gonna list like what category it's in, how much you're selling it for, whether it's new or used, what the original price is of the item, and that's all you have to do. And then you just post it, goes out, they send it out to anyone searching that item. You can also make offers on items. So say something was listed for $20, but you only wanted to pay $15 for it, you could go in there and make an offer, and then the seller has the option of whether they want to accept it or not. And then when it comes to selling items, it's so easy, because all you have to do is just print out a label off your printer. It's already prepaid for, it's put into the price of the item, and then you just print it out, put it on your box, and you put it in your mailbox, and it's good to go. Super easy to do. I will have it, like I said, linked down below for you guys. But that is the last app that I wanted to talk about today, to share with you guys just tips on how to save money, things that I use to save money. I hope you guys found this helpful. Like I said, I will have everything I mentioned linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any questions about any of these apps, please let me know. I would love to share any tips that I do have for them. If you want to know more about them, let me know down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys go, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.